Welcome back. I hope that you are in good health. Cilantro's healing benefits, plus detox juice and iron builder recipes. Cilantro is not just a side dish herb from Mexican food. This nutritious herb looks very much like parsley until you taste it. Cilantro has become one of the most used culinary herbs around the world. Nonetheless, while some people love its unique flavor, others claim that it tastes like soap. However, it may be the smell rather than the taste that repels these people. When we bite into cilantro, or any other food for that matter, the nose naturally picks up chemical compounds that contribute to the overall taste experience. For some genetically predisposed people, the smell of cilantro overcomes the taste, leading to a distasteful soapy flavor. Cilantro is rich with an unusual array of healing phytonutrients and antioxidants. It is anti-septic, aphrodisiac, helps with digestion, fungicidal, and natural stimulant. And it is most powerful in its raw state or juiced form. It is a very good source of vitamins A, C, K, and traces of the B vitamins. It also provides high amounts of calcium and potassium, in addition to being rich in iron, manganese, and sodium. Cilantro is an excellent blood builder, and it helps to prevent anemia. You can make a delicious tonic to build healthy blood, which is rich in natural iron. You can either juice or blend 2 cups of cilantro, 1 inch fresh ginger root, 2 peeled limes, 2 cups spinach, 1 beet, and 2 apples. Drink 1 cup per day of this tonic to receive its wonderful benefits. In addition, always use the entire leaf and stem, as many of its nutrients are located in the stem. Cilantro possesses another health benefit, of which most people are unaware. It is effective at chelating numerous heavy metals from the body, especially mercury, aluminum, and lead, to name a few. Cilantro helps cleanse the body of toxic metals by supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Compounds in cilantro leaf bind to toxic metals and loosen them from affected tissue. This process allows metals to be released from the body naturally. You can access these benefits by consuming a 1/4 cup of its leaves and stems per day, or drinking a glass of this detox juice. This drink is made by juicing a 1/4 cup of cilantro leaves and stems, 2 1-inch pieces of ginger, 1 lemon, 1 lime, and 3 large cucumbers. Other ways that cilantro can help heal your body include soothing digestive issues such as stomach discomfort and help in healthy elimination, helps with eye disorders, red eye, and macular degeneration. Cilantro plays a role in maintaining healthy bone structure. It helps our urinary tract to stave off infections. Cilantro can act as a natural diuretic and help prevent kidney stones. It can also help reduce the amount of damaged fats in the cell membranes. Exactly how you use this amazing plant may vary, but its health benefits will remain the same. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.